So how do you choose a good EA? Part 3. So if you didn't watch part 1 and 2 of this series, then click in the right hand corner of the screen now and go and watch those videos, then come back to this video. Right, so the last thing that you need to look at when choosing a good EA is to see if there is 1, a stop loss, 2, an equity protector, or 3, which is unique to us, we have what is called a hedge functionality. So on our robot, what you can do is, because there's no stop loss, we work on dollar cost averaging. We have a very clever system called a hedge functionality, which will then place a hedge for you in the opposite direction of your open trades to then freeze your account so that no more hemorrhaging happens. It's a brilliant tactic, brilliant strategy. Alternatively, we have an equity protector, which is over here, and you get to choose where you want your equity protector to protect your capital. So if you want to shut off the EA or close out your trades at 50%, then set it to 50%. And that is how you choose a good EA.